Lord Frost here. We talked about something a bit different. A few months ago I visited a place in Glasgow called the Purple Cat Cafe, and I found out about this place online, originally from family members. So it started off as a place opened in Edinburgh, and then popularity of that one opened in Glasgow. It's located at Glasgow, across from Glasgow Cross. If you're going from the precinct of Argyle Street, you keep to the left hand side going east along the Tron-Gate. You come to the end of the Tron-Gate where Tron-Gate meets Glasgow Cross, and just across from the clock tower on the left hand corner you've got a curved building, a road going around it. It used to be a bank. That is the location of Purple Cat Cafe. You can't just go in off the street and in. It's by appointment only, so you book online, look up Purple Cat Cafe, and it costs £5 per person. That covers the welfare of the cats and looking after them and feeding them and all that stuff. So book it online, then you get yourself a table and how many of you are going. I went with two friends. So we went, met them outside the front door, and we went in. We were a wee bit early, so we went into the admin bit of it, so reception area. There was a counter and a door, and you could see the cats wandering about, and we got told a few ground rules. Don't pick the cats up, you can feed them, we've got stuff here. This is a wee bit extra, and just enjoy yourself. And it lasts an hour. Maybe it doesn't seem a long time, but actually it's very relaxed. Take you to your table, comfy sofas. It's like being in somebody's living room or a lounge. Comfy sofas and chairs dotted about, tables, and there's a cafe bit at the far end, and toilets as well. And now we come to the important bit, the cats themselves. Oh, wonderful. All sorts of different types of cats, all different varieties, young and old, and I can only say it is gorgeous. Pardon the pun, but it's the perfect place if you like cats. It's well worth a visit. We had a mug of tea, my friends had a bite to eat, and tea and coffee, and there is nothing more lovely than being able to pat a cat, different types, because a cat likes to get patted, and they're kind of curious things. So I have a wee sniff about, and you're going, oh, this is lovely. And seeing all the different types of cats. For example, there's a couple of cats there who are fairly young, and if you've ever seen the advert on TV for a black and white cat called Felix, there's two cats there that look like that, and they're just, oh, gorgeous. Really, really cute, as all cats are. And it was a very therapeutic, relaxing hour. With friends, polite company, chatting about this and that. Well, patting cats and just having a generally nice time. Nice thing to do. And I would say it's probably one of the most relaxing things I've ever done in Glasgow city centre. Well, ever actually. And as I said, for anyone that's into animals, if you're into animals and you're right into cats, it's the best place to go to. I definitely recommend it. Would I go again? Yes, very much so. Couldn't go on a regular basis because it's expensive, but it's nice to do as a kind of it's a once in a blue moon thing. It's a wee treat because, as some of you know, I used to have cats for many years and been pet free for almost 4 years, and I do miss having cats about the house, but chances of us I don't see us having pets again, but that's another story. If you're going to the Purple Cat Cafe, I suggest you're better going with a couple of people, spreads the cost out, and it's not something I would do on my own. You have to be with other people, and it's amazing how therapeutic it is being surrounded by cats and patting a cat. There was one of the cats there, a black one with wee bits of white on its front, that reminded me of one of the cats I used to have. So it was very nice and sort of made me reminisce about from a few years back. So yeah, and yeah, it's just a nice thing to do, and it's a good way to promote Glasgow. And anything that's, I would say it's an attraction worth going to. As I said, if you're right into cats and you've got cats yourself, or you've had cats in the past like myself, go to it. I definitely recommend it. This is one of Lord Frost's recommendations, and I would say it's one of the best places to visit in Glasgow just now. So go to it, relax, have a bite to eat. Oh, well, remember, if you're having food, they bring it over in a dish, but they have a cover over it so that the cats can't steal the food. So just bear that in mind. So there we go. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks very much to all the folks that have been subscribing. I appreciate it very much. And all the people that watched my video and liked it and sent me comments. Thank you. Very kind. And there'll be plenty more videos from now on. So I'll see you soon.